welcome back to our channel. We are in Meghalaya right now, and this time we have started our journey from West Khasi Hill. So this is our first time in West Khasi Hill, and the intention of this entire trip is to explore the waterfalls of Meghalaya. So right now we are in Mawphanlur, and we came to Mawphanlur yesterday night. We took the less traveled route from Guwahati to Mawphanlur, which is basically the route from Guwahati airport towards Meghalaya, and it took us 3.5 hours. Then we reached Mawphanlur and we stayed at the Traveler's Nest guest house. It was an amazing stay. What a wonderful stay it was. This is Traveler's Nest in Mawphanlur, located in the hilltop. What आप देख सकते हो, that is the place where we stayed for a night, and मेरे दोनों तरफ lake है, and it's an amazing experience. Completely foggy here, and थोड़ा drizzling भी हो रहा है. We are just loving it here. In the morning, we have started our journey. We are on our way to Weinia waterfall, which is in West Khasi Hill itself, and here we are taking a pit stop. Actually, every now and then we just cannot stop ourselves when we are stopping our car and taking tiny little pit stops. And behind me, you can see such lush green. I'm just taken away by the entire scenery. This exactly looks like Zuko Valley from Nagaland, and just enjoying our time here. You too enjoy it. गाइस, ये इस तरफ से जो मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में ये रास्ता जो है ये आता है जो मॉफनलूर की तरफ से आके देयर इज अ फोर्क हियर. दीज आर द टू वेज. यहाँ है विनिया एंड दिस वे इज द लैंगशैंग वाटरफॉल. So first we have come to the Weinia waterfall, and it looks so grand from the top, and there is a little paved path to go till the bottom. So we are on our way. Looks huge, guys. बीच है. वाटरफॉल एक्चुअली यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है एंड इट गोस इन द बॉटम. तो हम लोग अभी जाएंगे, उससे पहले थोड़ा ये ब्रिज से भी व्यू देखते हैं. So guys, behind me is Weinia waterfall. We have trekked from there to the this side of mid of the waterfall, and it's huge. I almost got drenched. You can taste it because of the wind. Vertically water is coming and drenching you. It's amazing. So guys, हम लोग मॉफनलूर से चेरापुंजी आ चुके हैं. It was a smooth ride. इतना मस्त ग्रीनरी था हर तरफ, और यहाँ अभी शाम आने को आया है. एंड दिस इज Arwah caves. We will visit the Arwah caves and end our vlog here. Guys, this is a limestone cave, और ये जो पानी है ये white दिख रहा है ना, this is limestone water that is flowing. We have entered the cave and अच्छा, it's well maintained actually. Naturally formed cave है, लेकिन it's artificially maintained. आपको अगर रियल केविंग एक्सपीरियंस फील करना है तो इधर नियर बाय मोमलू केव बोल के एक केव है विच टेक्स अराउंड 4 hours टू ट्रैक इनसाइड द केव एंड वो एक बहुत मज़ेदार एक्सपीरियंस है। हमने किया था ये केविंग आज से लाइक 5 साल पहले, तब व्लॉगिंग तो नहीं था, लेकिन मैं आपको डिटेल्स शेयर कर दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में। मेघालय एडवेंचर एसोसिएशन जो है वो कंडक्ट करती है केविंग, ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए इफ यू आर वेरी मच एडवेंचर एंथुसियास्ट। It will be like an experience of your lifetime too. So guys, this was our visit to the Arwah caves. हम लोग वेस्ट खसी Mawphanlur से आज चिटेरा चेरापुंजी which is East Khasi और खाने हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे चेरापुंजी के बाकी waterfalls. Do stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.